Did you know, hidden right inside your kitchen is a little tiny doctor who can help boost your immune system, slow down aging, improve blood circulation, and even lower your risk of cancer? It's not a fancy supplement, nor a bottle of expensive medicine, and certainly not some rare herb from a distant mountain. It's garlic, the humble, everyday spice that quietly appears in almost every meal. Throughout history, garlic has been a loyal companion of humankind for over 5,000 years. The ancient Egyptians used it to strengthen the slaves who built the pyramids. The Greeks called it the elixir of warriors, while the Chinese saw it as a symbol of purification, vitality, and longevity. And today, modern science confirms what our ancestors already knew. Garlic contains more than 100 biologically active compounds, most notably allicin, a natural powerhouse that fights inflammation, kills bacteria, protects cells, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Just one small clove of garlic, if used wisely, can become a golden shield protecting your health, vitality, and mental clarity. So today, let's uncover the 7 incredible benefits of garlic and understand why just one small daily habit can transform your health in miraculous ways. Part 1, boosting immunity, the shield of the body. After the age of 50, our immune system gradually weakens. The body no longer reacts as swiftly to viruses and bacteria, making us more prone to colds, fatigue, sore throats, and infections. And that's when garlic reveals its true strength. Garlic is rich in vitamin C, selenium, and especially allicin, a natural antibacterial compound that stimulates the production of white blood cells, the soldiers that defend our body from pathogens. According to research by the U.S. National Institute of Health, NIH, people who regularly eat garlic experience 60% fewer colds than those who don't. And when they do get sick, their recovery time is nearly 70% faster. You don't need much. Just one raw clove in the morning or a few lightly roasted slices in your dinner can help your body build a natural defense barrier. If you often catch colds, feel tired, or get sick when the seasons change, simply add a bit of garlic to your meals. It's not just a spice, it's nature's free medicine, helping you stay strong, resilient, and youthful at any age. Part 2, heart health, the friend of the heart. Your heart is the engine that beats tirelessly throughout your life, and after decades of service, it deserves care and protection. Garlic is one of the heart's best friends, especially for middle-aged and older adults. Studies show that garlic helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, thereby reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and improving blood flow. Allicin also helps dilate blood vessels, lower blood pressure naturally, and stabilize heart rhythm, all without the side effects of medication. According to Mayo Clinic, consuming 1 to 2 cloves of raw garlic daily can reduce total cholesterol levels by 9 to 12%. Moreover, garlic prevents the formation of blood clots, a leading cause of heart attacks and strokes. Just imagine, each day, by simply adding a few golden slices of fried garlic to your stir-fry, soup, or grilled meat, you're gifting your heart a protective layer of love. Because within every calm heartbeat lies the quiet care from something so small, a humble clove of garlic from your cozy kitchen. Part 3, cancer prevention, the power of allicin, cancer, the silent fear of our modern age. But few realize that nature has already gifted us a strong ally in this fight, garlic. When garlic is chopped or crushed, allicin is activated. This compound helps inhibit the growth of cancer cells and prevents DNA damage caused by free radicals. Research by the U.S. National Cancer Institute found that people who eat garlic at least 4 times a week have a 30 to 40% lower risk of developing stomach and colon cancer. Allicin acts like a gatekeeper, quietly preventing the spread of harmful cells while helping your body repair the damage caused by stress, pollution, alcohol, and smoking. For best results, chop or crush garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. That's when allicin forms most effectively. It's a tiny change in your cooking routine, but a giant step for your future health. Garlic may not be cancer cure, but it is truly the guardian of life, protecting your cells from within. If you find this video useful, please click like, also follow our channel, and turn on the notification bell. This way, you'll stay updated and gain valuable knowledge from Dr. Kiem-san's insights. Part 4, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, the secret of staying young. As we age, inflammation, joint pain, fatigue, and wrinkles begin to appear, signs of oxidative stress and cellular aging. Yet garlic contains a miraculous compound, allicin, one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agents. Allicin neutralizes free radicals, slows down oxidative damage, and reduces inflammation in muscles, joints, and blood vessels. A study by Oxford University showed that after just 12 weeks of garlic supplementation, people with chronic inflammation saw a 30% reduction in inflammatory markers. Beyond that, garlic promotes the production of protective enzymes, enhances blood circulation, and improves skin elasticity. That's why those who consume garlic regularly tend to have healthier skin, more energy, and sharper mental clarity. When you add garlic to your meal, you're not only seasoning your food, you're seasoning your life with youth. Because garlic doesn't just help you live longer, it helps you live better with vitality and inner peace. Part 5, Antibacterial and Antiviral, the mini doctor in your kitchen. Garlic is a natural antibiotic, recognized by both traditional and modern medicine. Its sulfur compounds, especially allicin, have the power to kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi, from common colds to respiratory infections. During colder months, adding just a few cloves of garlic to your meals can shield your body from countless germs. Many elderly people in the US and Europe still maintain the habit of soaking garlic in honey and taking a spoonful every morning to soothe the throat, prevent coughs, and boost immunity. Research from the University of Washington found that allicin is 100 times more powerful than certain synthetic antibiotics in killing harmful intestinal bacteria. And unlike pharmaceuticals, garlic doesn't harm the good gut bacteria. Garlic may be quiet and unassuming, but day after day, it silently protects you from within. That's why nutritionists often call it the little doctor in your kitchen, a humble friend always there when your body needs a helping hand. Part 6, Strengthening Bones, Building a Solid Foundation for Aging Gracefully. After the age of 50, bones naturally weaken, especially in women, as estrogen levels drop, causing bone density to decline rapidly. Once again, garlic steps in as a silent helper for stronger bones. Garlic contains vitamin C, B6, manganese, and selenium, nutrients that enhance calcium absorption and boost collagen production, both essential for bone and joint health. According to research by Nanjing Medical University, China, women who consumed garlic at least 6 times a week had 7% higher bone density than those who didn't. In addition, garlic helps relieve arthritis pain thanks to its natural anti-inflammatory properties. For those suffering from stiff knees, shoulder pain, or numbness in limbs, a garlic-rich diet can significantly reduce discomfort and improve flexibility. A small clove of garlic may seem insignificant, yet it helps you stand strong on every step of your life's journey, keeping your bones solid, your joints flexible, and your spirit young so you can continue creating beautiful memories with your loved ones. Part 7, Supporting Digestion, Keeping Your Gut Happy. A healthy gut is the cornerstone of a healthy body, and garlic is the natural regulator that keeps your digestive system balanced, helping you eat well, sleep well, and absorb nutrients efficiently. Garlic stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, easing digestion and reducing bloating or indigestion. It also suppresses harmful bacteria while promoting the growth of beneficial gut flora, something very few foods can do. For centuries, our ancestors used garlic to expel intestinal worms and cleanse the digestive tract naturally. Today, science confirms that garlic improves bowel movements, prevents constipation, and enhances nutrient absorption. When you eat garlic, you're not just caring for your stomach, you're nurturing your entire internal system, ensuring that every organ works in harmony. One small clove of garlic, yet it's the key to a light, healthy body and a peaceful mind. Conclusion: the miracle of simplicity. Among hundreds of supplements and countless miracle health products, we often forget that the simplest things are what truly sustain us. Garlic, the humble, familiar spice, is one of nature's greatest gifts to humankind. Each clove carries a quiet miracle. It helps you wake up healthier each morning. It keeps your heart beating stronger each night. And it makes your later years lighter, calmer, and more joyful. You don't need to make drastic changes. Just begin with one small habit. Add garlic to your meals every day. A bit of garlic in your soup, a few roasted slices in your salad, or a spoonful of raw garlic with honey in the morning. Garlic doesn't just make your food taste better, it makes your life longer, healthier, and more vibrant. Because sometimes the secret to health and happiness isn't found in expensive cures, but right in your cozy kitchen, where the aroma of onion, ginger, and garlic fills the air, reminding us of home and care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help spread the message of living well, living joyfully, and living fully every day. Health isn't something distant. It begins with the smallest, simplest things, and perhaps one little clove of garlic a day could be the secret to many more years of life, full of energy, happiness, and peace. Would you like me to make this English version sound more native and cinematic, suitable for a US YouTube voiceover audience aged 50 plus? I can smoothen tone, rhythm, and vocabulary to match that style perfectly. If you find this video to be useful, please like it now. Please subscribe to Thrive 50 Wellness and turn on your notifications every single day. Learn how to live well, healthy, and beautifully.